Welcome back to CES 2023 here in the fabulous Las Vegas. We are taking you behind the scenes of the most incredible tech in the world right now. And we are still in this wonderful sleep tech area here. And I'm here with Juha. He's from Finland, and he is part of this incredible, it's Neurosonic company.
Neurosonic.
And I did your program yesterday. I want you to talk, first of all, congratulations. This is your
Thank
first
you.
time at CES?
It's personally, yes, it's first time for me.
Amazing. And how many years has Neurosonic been here?
Well, Neurosonic was here last year for the first time. The company has been established in 2010. So we have some history already behind, and we have quite established in Finland, and now we are looking to find our partners here in US and all over the world.
I love it. I love it. They're coming here. This is so exciting. We're going to show you what's happening behind the camera here in a minute because they have this incredible setup here at this booth. I gravitated towards you yesterday because there's so much peace over here.
There's been lots of others
in the
as well.
chaos. Yes,
Yeah.
you said the time that I came, it was like the perfect time. Everyone was kind of tired on their feet.
Yes.
It was the time to relax. So you have 3 beds set up, and talk about this innovative technology and these 10-minute programs that we're doing. I did one yesterday, and I'm going to explain my experience, but I want you to tell people what it is that we are experiencing.
Yes, it's all about well-being. It's about getting your stress levels down and improving your sleep quality. So the technology that we have invented is low frequency vibration. So it's integrated into the mattress. It works in a way that it actually activates the autonomous nervous system. So with that, you get the revs of your body down when the parasympathetic nervous is activated, which means that the stress levels go down, you feel relaxed, and the sleep quality improves. And it's also, it feels really good on top of everything.
It feels so good, okay? And also I love, because you have this word behind you, which for athletes is very important, recovery.
Yes.
Talk to me about the recovery method, the component to this technology.
Yes. Well, the recovery is really in the middle of everything what we do, because the recovery of the body, the balance between mind and body is very important. But with activating the nervous system, then we activate the natural recovery system. So it is a natural. So in the animal kingdom that is done. So there is the zebras. They don't get ulcers when they run at the savannah, even when they are chased by lions every day.
Right.
What they do, they shake. And this is kind of the vibration is an imitation of that also, that the vibration that we as humans have already forgotten. So the background comes from there as well.
So it's kind of like somatic health. It's that shaking,
Yes.
that understanding the body on a neurological level is what you're talking about.
And then what we have done is implemented into our programs the frequencies and the amplitudes that actually then can either go to the parasympathetic side or the sympathetic side of the nervous system, and we can activate or we can start the recovery.
I love it. I love it. Okay, so we're going to pan over here. We've got 2 of our team members that are experiencing this for the first time. I did this yesterday. You set me up. It was amazing. And they're doing a 10-minute program. There's vibration, as you said. The vibration feels so good. It is so relaxing. And it's not like those, a lot of us understand those massage chairs and things like that. There's all these different speeds. And even the relaxing one I felt like is so powerful. This vibration is so subtle but so effective, which I think is so important to mention.
Yes.
And talk to me about the 10-minute program. It's a cycle, and I noticed that there was like highs and lows with the meditation music. What is the program doing?
Yes, exactly. So you mentioned that it's different than the massage, for example. That's exactly so. So it is low frequency, which means that it doesn't feel on the surface very hard, but because of the frequency, it goes through the whole body, and the body resonates with vibration.
Yeah.
So because that, it is very kind of a complete effect what you get from the vibration.
You do. It's like a buzzing. You just feel so in a state of zen.
Exactly. It brings you down into this meditative state. So people who have high stress, the cure for it would be meditation, for example. But it might be very difficult if you are stressed out to actually get into the meditation at all.
Right.
So with our
To turn the brain off.
Exactly.
That's the hardest part for me, especially when I'm going to sleep.
Exactly. But with Neurosonic product, the mattress do it for you. So you don't need to effort. You just go, lie down, try to relax, and then the vibration will take care of the rest.
Absolutely incredible. You said you are breaking into the American market. We can order these though. You had mentioned to me and ship it from.
Of course, we can ship it from Finland directly. So the product and the certifications are done. So we can sell it in US. But we are looking for distributors. So it would be more available here as well.
That's it. So if you are a distributor in the United States, this could be your market. You have two. So this one you were talking about is like on the go. It folds up really nicely, which is really cool. So there's a lot, and the one in the back is ergonomic, right? So you have a lot of different.
Yeah, we have a different form factors. This is good for the mattress for home. You can fold it and put it in a closet if you don't have the space for it. Sure. Or if you are a physiotherapist, for example, you can fold it and take it with you for the athletes that you are treating, for example.
Right.
Then we have the divan there, which is very kind of. Companies are buying those for the offices, so it fits, for example, the design. So it's a kind of Nordic, simplistic design. Yeah. You can have it and have the.
It's very aesthetic and it's very ergonomic. Everyone loves that right now, and also it's very effective on the body.
Exactly. So we also have recliner chairs in our portfolio, and we are selling the technology also for integrators. So if you are a bed manufacturer or a furniture manufacturer, you can integrate the technology also for your own products.
I love it. Because I think that's very important for consumers to know that a lot of the exhibitors that we're talking to at CES, it's not about the product themselves, it's about the technology. That most exhibitors here have innovative technology that is integrated into other consumer products. Yes. And that is huge because I can buy products from you, but really what you have done is created the technology that can be incorporated into other products.
Exactly.
Like airplane seats. Like
that would be a great,
car seats, all those types of things. Why not, right?
Because exactly.
We need low stress everywhere. So this is not the only place, not just in our sleep, but this is obviously a great place to start.
Yes, I agree. And of course, the use cases, there are many. Our Neurosonic products are here, and I'm hoping that it will be available for everybody soon.
Yeah. Absolutely amazing. This is such a wonderful technology and a wonderful company that's bringing it to us, and we're so excited that you're here at CES. Thank you for taking the time to talk to us and explain our process.
Thank you.
And thank you for allowing me to go through the program. Yeah. Just so you know, after I did the program, yes, I woke up, I wasn't asleep. I was very meditative for 10 minutes, and I was in a very relaxed state. And I did feel very... there was just a buzzing about my body. I felt like I had just really meditated. And like you said, it's hard to get in that mental state, but the vibration almost allows you to do it naturally. And so I felt I want this in my bed, right now.
Yeah, and we have woken up many people here. Maybe it's Las Vegas that makes it sleep.
Everyone's tired and hungover over here in Las Vegas.
Maybe it's that, I don't know, but it does calm you down, and I think it's natural to also sleep.
It does. Thank you for your amazing booth and experience and for being here, and congratulations on all your accolades and future success.
Thank you.
Absolutely, and we will see you more to come from CES 2023.